Hi everyone, this is Julia Dmukh. We will create an angel with silk ribbons to decorate the Christmas tree today. We will need a picture of angel in the Victorian style, scissors, white and glitter cardboard, floral decor elements, lace ribbons and silk fabrics trimmings, a glue gun and super glue. First, cut out the image of an angel and cut out the back part from the glitter cardboard according to the silhouette of the image. Then we should trace a pattern for the base of the angel's body on white cardboard and also cut it out. So, step by step. Next step, we should select the ribbons for the angel's dress. I chose scraps of multicolored natural silk and tear them into thin strips. We can combine silk strips with lace and transparent ribbons and trim them to an even size. When all the ribbons will be ready, we should glue them one by one on the body of our angel. First on the one side and then on the back side. So it's also easy. And I like this process because I don't like to throw out any materials. So for me, it's a little bit about upcycling. So each drop, we just glue ribbons. On the back side also. And when the dress will be ready, we should glue the image of an angel to using a glue gun. And look, bright and transparent ribbons combine very well with lace. So, one more element. And now we should glue the image on the top. On the back side, we should glue the glitter part. You should put between them a string. I forgot to do this, so I will show you how I handle with this. And now we should make a belt. And we will attach a small bouquet to the side. So I took some leaves and some beads. And a little bouquet is ready. And I decided to cut out some lace element also that match the color of the bouquet and color of an angel. And then we attach it with glue. Look, I think it's very beautiful. And as I said, I cut a little bit ribbons. And then I attached the elements to hang the decoration on the Christmas tree. And I want to say thank you for subscribing to my channel. And we can create beauty together again very soon. Our angel is ready in Victorian style. Sincerely yours, Julia Dmukh.